Let's see how you can solve this exam questions, which is part of algebra. So here what you have is given that x square plus ax minus 1 is a factor of a cubic equation. So you have a cubic equation here, and here you have a quadratic equation. So that is the first thing which you should notice. So you have a quadratic equation here, and on the right hand side you have a cubic equation. So you should remember this, that quadratic equation multiplied by a linear equation will give you a cubic equation. So if you have listened to my videos before, you will see that there is some sort of understanding on this. So linear times linear, you will get a quadratic equation. Quadratic times linear, you will get a cubic equation, etc. So there is something like this. Yeah. Okay. Now with this information, I can write this as, I can say that x square plus ax minus 1 multiplied by a linear equation. Linear equation is something which I am trying to form. So I will write it as x plus t. You can take any variable out here. That's not a problem at all. Anyway, we'll be eliminating that variable later on. So x cube plus px square plus qx plus r. So if you do this, the half of the work is done. Now the important thing is you simplify this side and then equate it with the same coefficients on both the sides. So if I need to simplify the left hand side, what you will do is you will write this as x cube plus x square t plus ax square plus axt minus x minus t is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus r. Okay, and then what I will do, I'll combine all the terms of x square here and combine the terms of x here for my comfort. So I will write it as t plus a times x square plus at minus 1 times x minus t, that is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus r. Now I can equate both the sides. I will write it for x cube, that is 1 is equal to 1. X square will be this and this. So I can write this as t plus a is equal to p. Then I will write the x terms, so that will be this and this. So I will write it as at minus 1 is equal to q, and then I will write the constant, which is all the remaining terms, so that is minus t is equal to r. Okay, now after writing this, you should go back to the question and see what are they asking, because they might ask you different things. So we don't want to work on everything and waste our time. So what you will do, you will go and see what is the question, what they have asked. So here what they have asked is q is equal to minus ar plus 1. So you need to work with equation with q. So that is only this equation. So I'll take that there, at minus 1 is equal to q. And remember, t is something which we introduce. We don't want that here. So what you will do, you will look at the other equation to see what is available for substituting for t. So minus t is equal to r, or t is equal to minus r. So I can write it as a into minus r minus 1 is equal to q. So I can write this as minus ar minus 1 is equal to q. And now again go back to your question. See, it is like minus of ar plus 1 in the q. So I can write this as q is equal to minus of ar plus 1. I take the minus 1 outside, and it will be simplified in this form.